Hello, everybody. So, welcome back to your small business resource. So, I was talking with someone earlier today, and this person was telling me about ways to make or to earn up to $500 per day online, 500 US dollars per day online. And I just thought it was the biggest joke, like, what are these people smoking? What are they talking about? But apparently, you guys, people are out there making up to 500 US dollars per day online with artificial intelligence, with AI. And so, you know, I just did a quick little research on this and came up with this video, if you will, just to share what I have picked up with you. Full disclaimer, I'm not making $500 per day online yet because I only, discovered today that people were making that much money. I was at first quite incredulous, but having seen some receipts, I think it's possible depending on how skilled you are. So, with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, it has opened up new doors for online entrepreneurs offering innovative ways to generate substantial income for a lot of people. Okay. From AI powered content creation to automation driven businesses, individuals can now leverage cutting edge technology, AI driven, to earn up to 500 US dollars per day or more with ease, right? With ease. This guide explores 8 lucrative methods to make money online using AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude AI, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced online entrepreneur, these strategies will help you capitalize on AI's potential. Okay, so first you have AI powered content creation, and people are apparently making anywhere from 100 to 500 US dollars per day creating content with AI. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude AI can generate high, I'm so sorry, can generate high quality written content, including blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and even scripts for YouTube videos, right? So you can create a lot of written content for other people, blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and scripts for YouTube videos, and you can monetize this, you guys. You can do so by freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer that offer AI assisted writing services. So, AI writing services, apparently, it's really big business if you're able to leverage your skills appropriately. Another thing you can do to monetize your skill is to start a blog and use AI generated content to drive traffic to your blog and monetize through Google AdSense or other affiliate marketing. And you can easily just do a Google search on other affiliate marketing to see what else is out there and whether that suits your needs and skills. You can also create eBooks with AI assistance and sell them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP, right? Another way that people are making money online is with AI video creation and automation. They're making like from 200 to 500 US dollars per day, depending on how skilled they are. So AI powered video generation tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Runway ML allow you to create professional videos without prior editing experience. You can earn money by selling AI generated videos to businesses, YouTube creators, or social media marketers. You can also launch a YouTube channel with AI generated scripts and voiceovers monetizing through ads and sponsorships, and you don't have to put your face on a video. You don't have to do anything but set up and let the AI do all the work. You can offer AI video editing services for influencers and blogs as well. The third way that people are apparently making between $50 to $300 a day is with AI powered tutoring and coaching. So AI can enhance online tutoring by providing real-time assistance in subjects like math, language learning, and test preparation. So you can use ChatGPT and DeepSeek to assist your students with homework and explanations. You can offer AI assisted English lessons to non native speakers of English. You can create an online course using AI generated content and sell it on Udemy or um, Teachable, right? Courses are really big these days. In fact, now that AI has, burst on the scenes. The fourth way you can make money with AI online is you can get into AI generated art and design. And these people are bringing in like anywhere from 100 to 500 US dollars per day, depending on their level of skill and obviously their number of clients that they have. So AI tools like Midjourney, DAL-E, and Stable Diffusion enable users to create stunning digital artwork, and you can monetize AI generated images by selling AI generated art on Etsy, Redbubble, or Adobe Stock. You can create and sell custom logos and designs on Fiverr. You can launch an AI-powered NFT collection on platforms like OpenSea, right? The other way you can generate income online is with AI-driven affiliate marketing. So AI can streamline affiliate marketing by automating content creation, keyword research, and audience targeting. To maximize your earnings, you want to use ChatGPT and Gemini to generate product reviews and SEO optimized blog posts. You can also automate email marketing and sales funnels with AI powered chatbots to maximize your earnings. And you can also leverage AI analytics to identify trending affiliate products and optimize your campaigns. The other way that you can earn money with AI online is with AI based drop shipping and e commerce. So, these types of skills people are making between 100 to 500 USD per day, depending on their volume of clients, of course. So AI is revolutionizing the drop shipping and e-commerce industry by automating inventory management, customer service, and marketing. So you can use AI tools like Shopify's AI assistant to optimize product listings. You can automate customer support with AI chatbots, reducing your operational costs, and you can use AI generated advertising strategies to increase your sales. The seventh way that you can generate income is with AI powered resume and cover letter services, and you can bring in anywhere from $50 to $300 US dollars per day with job seekers looking for personalized professional resumes and cover letters. AI powered tools can help craft high level documents. So you can offer resume and cover letter writing services on Fiverr and LinkedIn. You can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to generate tailored applications for clients. You can create a resume review business using AI based analysis, right? And that can bring in $50 to $300 per day. Not bad. So finally, number 8 is AI enhanced stock trading and investing. Oh, wow. So with AI tools, you can analyze stock market trends, cryptocurrency prices, and investment opportunities in real time. To profit from AI driven trading, you want to use AI powered trading bots to automate buying and selling, right? You want to leverage AI tools for predictive market analysis to make informed investments. And you also want to offer AI driven investment insights through a paid newsletter or consultancy. So, my final thoughts on this, you guys, before I run out of space on this video, is that the rise of AI presents unparalleled opportunities to earn money online. So, whether you choose to create content or to sell AI generated designs or automate business processes, leveraging AI effectively can help you reach up to $500 per day. So you want to start by selecting one or two methods, mastering them, and scaling your efforts. With the right strategy, AI can become your most powerful asset in building a successful online business. Okay, so that's all for this one, you guys. Thank you for listening to this video. If you do like or did like this video, definitely listen to it a couple of times until fully, absorb what I said in this video. Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel just to encourage me. Like, if this is helpful information, if you subscribe, it tells me that it's worth putting my time to give you this information. So definitely subscribe. Definitely give me some thumbs up. Definitely, like, leave me some comments if you want. I mean, engage with the channel, share the video with your network, with your friends, and let's get ourselves together. I couldn't even believe, like, this friend of mine was telling me about the amount of money that he's making with AI online, and I was like, what? And so I sort of started, digging into this and came up with this article to share it with you guys. So thank you for listening. That's all for this one. See you in the next one. I don't know when, maybe tomorrow, maybe later today, maybe next week. I mean, who knows? I haven't gotten a set schedule as yet, but whenever I have something new, you'll be the first to know. Take care.